What is up, guys? The snowpocalypse of 2024 is upon us. Today, I wanted to bring out an HM Defense AR15 and chuck it out here in the snow and see how this thing was going to perform. I'd love to do this, but we can only do this together. Are you with me? I know it's cold out here, so we'll try to keep the videos short. Sweet, straight to the point. Oh yeah! Right here on Therapyrange.
It's time to shut up and shoot.
Hi, here we go.
I got a baby blown over with the demon inside me.
Straight Shooter Coffee, the official coffee of Therapyrange. I wanted to see how well one of these things will do if you just chuck it in the snow. Yeah, so we got a couple extra magazines. Got a few rounds in them. We're just gonna chuck those in the snow. Alright, so I'm gonna leave that lay there for a couple hours, and then we're gonna come back out and shoot it. Get it good and covered up. Let her freeze up. Alright, so we'll come back out here in about 2 hours and see how it goes. Alright, so here we go. It's been about maybe 2.5 hours. We've got a balmy 24 degrees outside. All right, let's see how the optics holding up. If you ain't been over to check out my gun deals link yet, how in the world can you possibly say you support Therapyrange? So far, so good. This thing's gonna be so wet when I take it in the house. Oh yeah, smoking. Oh yeah, that'll melt that ice off of there real nice. All right, so the HM Defense did just fine out here in the snow. Cold weather. Let's see if the light still works. Oh yeah, light worked okay. Optics seems to be all right. So, all right, guys, little cold weather equipment testing. Like I said, I've been looking for a reason to get outside and try this new wireless microphone. Hopefully we got our audio the way I wanted it to. And I figured we'd just do some cold weather weapons testing, since how we finally got some cold weather here in southern Ohio. Be sure to live your lives to the fullest. Anything less is an injustice to yourself and every single person around you. It's colder than shit on Therapyrange today. I'm gonna take my ass back in the house. We're about to go out for a late birthday dinner. Yeah, it's been over a week, but it's okay. She's showing me that she cares. Right here on Therapyrange. Stay free, America, if you can.
It's time to shut up and shoot.
Hi, here we go.
I got a baby blown over with the demon inside me.
Straight Shooter Coffee, the official coffee of Therapyrange.